So, of course, XRP was adversely affected along with the crypto market yesterday as we went through our drop in terms of BTC price and we got into some long liquidations. But there are some very exciting things happening from a fundamental standpoint in terms of XRP right now that I do want to talk about with you guys. And this is what we're really targeting for our next extension to the upside. I want to talk about that and a few things that happened over the last 24 hours. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So looking at XRP structure in general, we're still following this bull flag, right? We talked about potentially just trickling along the top of this, maybe a sideways extension, but unfortunately, the surprise data that came yesterday from the jobs market caused us to go on a little bit of a drop. XRP dropped back into this bull flag structure. Everything went on a retracement. That's what you need to know. Unfortunately, BTC, ETH drug down the entire crypto market. And where that put XRP was actually back at its 20-day moving average. This isn't a bad spot to be. And frankly, looking at where XRP is at currently, we could get a rejection actually at the top of this trend. And frankly, it might push us back down to the bottom of this trend. What's coincidental about this, and this isn't necessarily my thoughts, and I want to get to this in a moment, but what we're actually seeing is the 50-day actually on the rise, almost to where the point of this big bull flag is going to be. That's why it wouldn't surprise me. Maybe if we do get a rejection, we pop, and right as this hits, we explode basically right at the tip of this, which is right at about the 20th, coincidentally enough. Now, that being said, there's a lot of bullish things that are happening for Ripple and XRP right now. Obviously, from the fundamental standpoint or on the RSI, we're actually toying with our signal line here. It's really trying to make an extension and get back above there. When we actually look at the MACD down below here, you guys can see that we started to turn green. We flipped back to red, kind of a little bit of a fake out there. And what they're going to want to try to do is push us back above the signal line, try to get a little bit of green momentum building once again. We're kind of flattened out, kind of like we were back in here in October, right before things got a little exciting. And frankly, when we look at XRP, when we look at the market in general, we're kind of in this blah time, right? Now, that being said, some exciting things happened over the last 24 hours. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse actually met with President-elect Donald Trump. Actually, not even President-elect. He's certified now. So, well, yeah, I guess he's still elect. But anyways, that's a very exciting thing because we know the potential that can come from obviously Brad Garlinghouse having these conversations with Donald Trump, helping shape crypto regulation here in the U.S. Potentially utilization of XRP Ledger in some way, in some capacity here in the U.S. These are very big things that can turn from potential into a reality the deeper we get into this incoming administration. Very exciting thing. Now, obviously, there was a big partnership announced yesterday. Ripple actually partnering with Chainlink to boost RLUSD stablecoin in DeFi markets. So specifically what this is supposed to be doing is providing price feeds for RLUSD on the Ethereum and XRP ledger. And this may expand to, again, multiple ecosystems. Maybe, for example, Chainlink itself adopts RLUSD as a stablecoin within the ecosystem as well. The crazy thing about RLUSD is it is truly a stable coin that can span multiple networks. It's not like what was it, BUSD, where it was limited basically to Binance chain and that was about it. RLUSD is really going that multi-chain approach, and it can frankly become one of the largest stables in the entire industry. And that again can provide additional liquidity to the XRP, the Ripple ecosystem in general, helping boost, everything. I lost my train of thought there. Can help obviously boost the amount of value stored within the space in general. Now, what I will say is a very exciting sign is although we went on our drop over the last 24 hours, this is actually very similar to what happened at the end of December. If you guys remember, we actually saw a little bit of a drop in price at that point. I'm trying to scroll down here. We saw a little bit of a drop in that point leading down to December 30th. And what's interesting is we actually saw volume do a very interesting thing at that point. It actually doubled. Fast forward to today. We were kind of chilling, not really doing a whole lot. We had our drop in price, but we actually saw volume double. We actually saw it climb from about $4 billion in daily trading volume for XRP, climb to $8 billion in daily trading volume. And if you guys haven't, followed me here on the channel for a while or don't know, I've said this time and time again, the big thing you need to move price in the market is volume. And the great news is that across the crypto market, we have seen a tremendous surge in volume. We haven't seen volume this high actually since all the way back here in the middle of December. Things had gotten pretty quiet. We had days where we were below $100 billion in daily trading volume. We have now eclipsed almost $2 billion. I'm sorry. Where we didn't eclipse $100 billion in daily trading volume, we've eclipsed almost $200 billion in daily trading volume. So again, although this day was red, although some of that volume came from selling, you need a buying event, right? You need to spur excitement. And what we're getting from an exciting standpoint right now is discounts. In fact, when we're looking at XRP currently, this is a discount compared to obviously the rip roaring prices that we saw back here in the early part of December. All right. Now, obviously, nobody knows where things are going to head next. Like I talked about, it's potential we could come down. We could just kind of trend sideways until the 20th. Obviously, we now know that the election has been certified. We're going to get a jobs report on Friday. We have an FOMC meeting the following week. So a CPI report the following week, and then a CPI or a FOMC meeting following Inauguration Day. So there are a lot of great things that are working in XRP's favor that may be the moment that the market starts to build a little momentum. It sucks that we went through this retracement, but understand that when we go on these explosive runs to the upside, it kind of comes with it. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts from here. Where do you think XRP is headed? Do you think we're going to stay in structure in the near term? Or does some of this excitement that is building currently, does this increase in volume across the crypto market, is this going to be the thing that pushes XRP to some new highs? Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.